Hi guys, so in this video, I will show you how to make a Linktree clickable on TikTok. So first, open Safari and search for Linktree. Open the Linktree website and create an account. Type your preferred username, so this can be changed later. And then click continue. So I'll choose the free plan and select template. So you can skip this part if you want, but I'll choose this color of the template and then add all the links you want to include in your link tree, such as your Instagram, YouTube, or other links. Click the next and finish the setup. Copy the Linktree link and paste it into your TikTok bio. When you click it, you will see all your multiple links in one place. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Bye!